friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and amazing orange chicken, Mexican style, that I know you guys are going to love and enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing orange chicken Mexican style, these are the ingredients. I have salt, garlic powder, black pepper, parsley, oregano, bay leaves, oranges, onion, carrots, potatoes, and of course the star, the chicken breast. This is everything you need to prepare this amazing and delicious orange chicken. So let's get started. I want to start first with my chicken breast. I already rinsed and washed very good the chicken breast, and now I'm just gonna cut it in pieces just like this. Look at this. Every breast I'm gonna take and I'm gonna cut about 4 pieces out of each one. I'm gonna continue. Once this is done, I'm just going to put it aside. My pan is nice and hot. I'm adding a little bit of vegetable oil, and now I am ready to add the pieces of the chicken breast. To this, I am going to add some salt right on the top. Remember, salt is to taste. We're gonna start cooking it for about a couple minutes until it starts getting nice and golden brown. And here I have all my veggies. I'm going to go ahead, rinse them really good, because you know that this is a very important part, making sure that everything nice and rinsed. And here I have my piece of onion. I'm going to go ahead, cut it in little strips, and then I am going to cube it so that the onion really release all those amazing flavors. I'm going to go ahead and just put it on this little plate and reserve it. Let's put it aside and let's continue with the oranges. These oranges are organic from my orange tree. Look at this. They have no seeds, but if your oranges have seeds, just make sure that you remove the seeds. And here I'm just gonna take out all the delicious orange juice, making sure that I get everything. And if there's a little bit of pulp, that's fine. I'm gonna leave it in here. I'm not gonna put it through a sifter. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it in there. That's really going to give this chicken an amazing flavor, and it's going to really tenderize it. Here I have my carrots. I'm gonna just remove the edges of the carrot, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the skin off completely. Remember, this part is important. You want to go ahead and remove the skin carefully without taking none of the pulp out, just like that. Well, I'm going to continue getting the skin out of the rest of the carrots. Now that they are nice and peeled, I'm just going to go ahead, cut them through the center, and then cut them through in the middle, just like that. You want large pieces of your carrot, and the same thing I'm going to do with the potato. I'm only using 3 potatoes. If you want to use more or less, that's optional. And now I'm just gonna cut it through the center and leave the pieces just like that. Once this is done, I'm just gonna put it aside. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients, and I am ready to see if the chicken is already getting nice and golden brown. Look at this. I have the potato, the carrot, the orange juice, the onion, and all the spices. This dish really comes out so delicious and so amazing, and it's very easy to prepare. Look at this. The chicken is already getting tender. It's kind of golden brown on this side. We're going to go ahead and just make sure that we turn it around. We leave it there for at least another 5 minutes. And when both sides are just golden brown like this, then you are ready to start adding the ingredients. The first thing I'm adding in is the onion, the Mexican oregano, the parsley, the black pepper, the garlic powder. Look at these. And of course, the Baileys. The Baileys really give it an amazing flavor. Just make sure that you add everything just like that. Like I said, it's a delicious, easy recipe. And I know that you guys are really going to love it. These flavors are amazing. I'm going to add the carrot. I'm going to add the potato right on the top. And at the end, I'm adding all the delicious orange juice with the pulp. Once you add everything in here, just give it a little mix. Cover it. Cook it at medium-low heat for about 25 minutes. And when this is done, your meat is going to be so tender, so moist. Just make sure that you cover your pan. Cover it. Let it cook in very low heat for about 15 to 25 minutes. Look at this. Now it is done. It really doesn't take too long to cook something delicious, amazing. And like I told you, the chicken really is so tender. It's fork tender. And all the veggies were on the top, so they are al dente. I am sure you guys are going to love this amazing recipe. Look at this. I'm going to put everything in here, of course, for the presentation, because I love making presentations. I love showing you how to decorate your table so that when your guests come over, or even just your family, they say, oh my God, this looks amazing, and I'm sure it tastes delicious. Well, here I'm adding all the potatoes, all the carrot, all the chicken, and then I'm going to drizzle right on the top the amazing juices of the orange and all those drippings. Look at this. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in a little bit. From close up, you could really see all those little pieces, and you could see the liquid is nice and thick. I am ready to taste this, so I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am done with this amazing orange chicken made at home. Very soft, very tender, but I combined it with some Spanish rice with corn. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. The chicken is so tender, and the potato and carrots, of course, I want to get a little bit of everything. And the sauce, just perfection. Excuse me. Perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, Leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.